Mr. Allred, and we are working with rational exponents right now, which involves roots and exponents. And what we have here are a bunch of items written with exponents, and we're going to write them using roots or radicals. So the first one is the quantity of xyz, all raised to the 1/2 power. Well, if we understand what that means the whole quantity to the power of 1. So we can just write xyz, and that would be to the first power, and we don't really have to put anything with it. But then the denominator of 2 in the exponent means it's a root, a square root. And we can put the 2 in with the square root notation if we like, or leave it out since it's a square root. So the square root of xyz. B, the second one here, is the quantity of x squared y, and that's all raised to the 1/3. So once again, I guess maybe I didn't pick the best example. This is the power of 1, so everything stays the same as far as the exponent if I distribute it. So I'd have x squared y, but the denominator is 3, so that means a root that is a cube root. So the cube root of x squared y. Now I'm going to change the last one I've got here to make it a little bit more interesting. But I have the quantity of 5x raised to the 3/4. So the 3 on top of the exponent is a power. So basically I'd have 5 cubed x cubed, and then the 4 in the bottom would be a root. So that would be all to the, I don't need parentheses there. The root will make its own parentheses, sorry. So it would be the 4th root. Now, I know that I can cube 5, so if I want to do that, I can say the 4th root of 5 cubed is 125, and then x cubed. So the 4th root of 125 x cubed. And that is writing them as roots.